Hello friends, welcome to my channel of Job Search by Reza. So in this introduction video, I can guide you how to search a job in Pakistan or in Europe or as well as in another country. So you can find easily by different job portals. So in next slide, I will guide you, I will show you our different portals that you can see easily and find a job on the internet. So there are a lot of jobs portal available. So I can here mention that because of experience and as well as that I can refer a lot of friends about that. Lot of friends and people got job from these jobs portals. So here are indeed Rosie.pk is most popular in Pakistan countries because most of the people, most of the HR people like share the jobs on that portals. So here LinkedIn is most popular in whole the world. So there are a lot of human resource. You can just connection them and send an email as well as there are a lot of jobs mentioned on the LinkedIn. Mustaqbil.com as well as same with that. StackOverflow is most popular. Most of the Germany companies and UK companies also job mentioned there. You can just make an a CV, create an account, just make an effective CV or resume on that and just find a job. Google as well, there are a lot of jobs you can find on their Google. So in next slide, there are as well as a career page mentioned there. Glassdoor is most popular for me because and it's most interesting for me because I see a lot of job in whole the world. You can just create account, make an effective CV as well. Idealist as well. The job popular is most popular. So as well as I can say that I can give you in next slide the demo to you can make an effective profile on the Zoom on the LinkedIn as well, or you can just make an account on the Glassdoor. You can because your if CV or resume will impact you on the job. You can just search on their profile a lot of resume on the Google as well, and you can search on the LinkedIn as well. So I can give you a just demo on the LinkedIn, and I can show you that there are a lot of jobs on that on the LinkedIn. You can just go to the job sections and you can search on any field like electrical, computer science, as well as civil engineering, mechanical, because nowadays there is a technological advancement trend and there are IT jobs available a lot. So most of the IT students go to that and find a job there. So here I can give you a demo to just elaborate you how do you find a job and to connect with an easily process. So if I can say right of electrical engineer, sorry, electrical engineer, and just find on a Singapore, or you can say in India, I can say in India, or you can find a lot of jobs available on that. Here you can see a lot of list available with that experience. You can just read the requirement as well and just apply there. So here are a lot of LinkedIn feature as well, sorted by date posted. LinkedIn feature you can, I mostly prefer easy apply because when I select easy apply, then this easily apply button as well appear. You can just make a resume apply and then submit there as well. So it's better and time saving. So you can also find companies on that. While if you know any company, just go to the Google. Like if I say I can know Microsoft company, so I can here I can find a jobs, or you can find any company as a careers page and go there and find jobs there. So you can find there. Here I can show you that if a person listed a jobs here, so you can find easily about that. So go to the career page. So in next video I will guide you that how you make a effective profile on LinkedIn and Glassdoor as well. So why do I ask you to subscribe? Because you subscribe and like my channel because you can get effective videos and tips that how you get easily job to my channel. So that's it. We'll see you in next lecture. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you very much.